In the 1950s, Chiso Fertilizer Company had begun to dump its toxic wastewater containing methylmercury, a byproduct of the fertilizer manufacturing process, into Minamata Bay. This deluge of methylmercury from Chiso contaminated the local fisheries, which the inhabitants of Minamata relied upon for jobs and sustenance. The result of contaminating the local food supply led to many people exhibiting strange symptoms: tremors, difficulty with speech, numbness in the limbs, and seizures, just to name a few. The impact of this methylmercury exposure to the children and unborn was devastating, leading to many deaths and disabilities. In October of 2013, the governments of the world united in their efforts to reduce the amount of mercury released into the environment by signing on to the Minamata Treaty on Mercury. This groundbreaking treaty will require governments to implement a number of measures to drastically reduce the amount of mercury entering the environment by banning its use in a number of various sectors by the year 2020. While scientific evidence has proven beyond a shadow of a doubt that exposure to mercury as released from amalgam fillings harms human health, the legislation and political policies necessary to safeguard the health rights of patients lags further behind. That's why the Iaomt has been active at the international level, spreading awareness of the harm from dental mercury fillings and outlining currently available solutions. During the years that the Minamata Mercury Treaty was being negotiated, the Iaomt was actively involved by informing delegates about the large amounts of mercury that the dental profession releases into the environment each year and its potential to harm human health. These efforts paid off, as the final treaty included language to phase down the use of mercury amalgam fillings, and shortly after the convention, the United States government was the first to ratify this monumental mercury treaty. It's not enough to just point out the problems related to dental mercury, and that's where the Iaomt sets itself apart from other organizations. The Iaomt has created a technical assistance program for other countries to learn about the various mercury exposures that happen during routine dental procedures, and more importantly, we offer a comprehensive program that outlines the many solutions to protect the dentist, the staff, and patients from the elevated exposures to mercury. With the governments of the world eliminating mercury use from all products, the end of amalgam in dentistry is near. But we're not out of the woods just yet, as there are still literally tons of mercury in the mouths of over 120 million Americans that will eventually need to be taken out safely and disposed of in a way that does not harm our environment. Because the Iaomt continually updates its safety protocols to reflect the most current science on the matter, I can rest assured knowing that the organization not only has my best interests at heart, but also those of my patients and the environment. To learn more about the International Academy of Oral Medicine and Toxicology, please visit our website, iaomt.org.